Hello, Kit.
Oh, may
Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat.
Oo. So, Kitty, how is Tatay Digong? Dahil uhaw na uhawang buong Pilipinas sa balita.
Actually, today it was a slightly more emotional visit because he just realized that the aging is getting to him. He was looking at his hands and then he realized, oh, it's getting skinnier. It's ano, but he's still in high spirits as always. He has this certain persona that keeps up, diba? So he's okay. But, ayun, parang he has his realizations about aging, about ganun. And mostly, we just talked about family. He checked up on my little sister, yung maliit, si Mira. And then, kamusta? Naghingi siya ng reports. Sabi ko, she's in school, she's doing fine, and magaling niya sumagot. And then, he said, pagpasensyahan mo yan, pagtiisan mo yan, kasi mana yan sa'yo. So, I did say naman that I am, very patient with her. And I understand that it's all part of growing up. And then he was giving his lectures about growing up in general. And ayun, kinamusta niya yung siblings ko. And I said, all of them are doing well. They're doing excellent jobs, and ayun, they're keeping in mind, they're heeding every advice you gave them.
Meron bang balita ka sa binigay sa kanya about the Philippines today?
Actually, wala. Hindi kami. We focused more on family today because I was supposed to, share some current events, but since nauna siyang magsalita, he asked about my mom first. He's always looking for actually, and he's asking updates on the situation, and I just said that we're doing the best we can and we're making progress in every way. You just have to be patient and to have faith. Kaya ayun, sabi niya, he leaves it all to God. Ayun.
Okay. Wala naman po siyang mensahe para sa Filipino people.
I told him kasi kahapon when I entered, wala pang tao dito. So wala akong nasabi sa kanya about the supporters that are here. But today, since I told him about the prayer rally I attended yesterday, and he says he's very proud of me and he's very proud of you, everyone, his supporters, because ayun nga, you keep showing up, and it means a lot to him. It means so much to him that you look up to him in that way.
Kitty, how are you settling here in the Netherlands right now? Do you have jet lag?
I mean, I'm adaptable. I like traveling around. I like being by myself. After my visit yesterday, I just found a random cafe with matcha, and then I just read a book that I just bought. So I am doing fine. Of course, I get lonely also because the both of us, my dad and I, were used to sleeping beside each other. Ayun, kahit before he was taken, the night before, we slept beside each other. Ayun, it gets lonely, but I'm thankful that I get to see him, I get to talk to him, and I get to have these back and forth conversations with him.
Is your mom staying longer?
I don't think she's staying longer since she's gonna leave it to me, because also she has to tend to everything the matters at home, especially with my sister, since yun naman din yung bilin ng ni PRRD na you also have to be there for Mira and to attend to the matters at home.
Well, when she goes, you have family here, huh? So,
Yes.
so many family
Salamat
here,
sa inyo.
So, please, just ask what you need.
I would like to ask Kit, how are you dealing with time management-wise with your studies? You just mentioned yesterday as well. Is it-
Actually, no, nakakapagod talaga. Lately, I've been getting less than 8 hours of sleep. So, but I try my best. I can't say I'm the best at everything, but I try. And yun lang naman yung hinihingi ng parents ko, especially my dad. As you've heard from his previous speeches, he was never an overachiever in school. So, hihingi nila sa akin, just pass and try your best. Try your best. And yeah, that's pretty much
Are
what
you
I'm
in
doing.
school while here at The Hague?
I'm currently on my break.
Okay. Did they also talk about you becoming a lawyer in the future?
Secret. Well, ano naman, with my dad, kasi he respects my my plans, my desires. He does encourage me to he persuades me to follow certain paths, but when I tell him, parang ito yung gusto ko, I want to do something else, this makes me happy, he would say, okay, just make sure to finish school. And he told me so many times before also, and again, just long as you finish school, after that, you can do whatever makes you happy.
Yesterday you said he's wearing a white beard. Is that
Yes, still
choice
there.
niya yun? Choice niya
Yes,
yun.
choice niya yun. I asked around inside and he said, they said na he doesn't want to shave. Okay, parang okay naman.
Did you ask him about the beard?
I told him that he looks like this Chinese philosopher Confucius.
Yes, yeah.
Si Confucius yung puti lahat. So he just laughed. We laughed about it. And he joked about Confucius being his uncle. So ayun, still we're still making, light jokes and ayun. And even the people inside, they tell me that he's a very funny guy. He's a very funny but humble guy.
Are you able to give him Diet Coke and snacks?
I wasn't able to give him today, but he did request for 7-Up, so I'm going to make sure that I tend to that as soon as possible. But for now, I was told that he has 24 cans of Coke in his room.
Okay.
As Veronica Kitty Duterte, what's your message to the entire Filipino people supporting your father up until now? Five months already past.
Ayun, it's still the same for 5 months. All of you have been very consistent with your love and support. So I would like to thank you over and over again. And as much as I can, I want to thank you and express my gratitude because, sometimes it surprises me. Even people who have no personal relationship with him, they have this immense amount of love and admiration and respect. So parang, wow, parang sobrang overwhelming, but at the same time, it warms my heart so much. Kaya, as his daughter, I would really like to thank every single one.
Do you have time for photos?
Pwede naman. Yeah.
Okay, ganito ha. Let's
Wait lang, ma'am, attorney.
Yeah.
Yung visiting days is still the same?
It depends, ma'am, because we do have to arrange it beforehand. So it depends on who's gonna visit.
Yeah, but it's still 4 days.
Yes.
Yes.
And tomorrow you'll be here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kit.
So,